Hi, and welcome to a quick video that I put together for you to show you the dashboard in your OneLaunch software application. So as you know, OneLaunch is all about convenience and productivity and being a central location at the top of your desktop from which you can start your day-to-day digitally each day. So the dashboard is yet another example of how we provide that value to you. So follow me to the top left of my OneLaunch dock, and you'll see the dashboard feature. Simply click it, and immediately your OneLaunch dashboard will drop down. So at a glance, you can see that we pre-pinned a bunch of the top popular sites in North America. To the right of that, we have a bookmark section that perfectly syncs with your OneLaunch Chromium browser. So you can add bookmarks here and click on them and access them in your OneLaunch Chromium browser. Bottom left, we've got, based on your location, we've got the time and weather for the day. And then bottom right, powered by MSN Microsoft News, we've got a lot of the top news articles for you each and every day. So the OneLaunch dashboard is a great place to come for quick links to things that you want to see and visit often, but also for quick checks of the weather and top news. So like I said, if you just want to get somewhere quickly, it's this popular section top left, which is great. That's how it works. Just quickly opens up in OneLaunch Chromium. You can view all to see the whole list of what we put together for you. Let's go back. The bookmark section, again, syncs perfectly with your OneLaunch Chromium browser. To add a bookmark, simply click plus, add bookmark. And then maybe you travel a lot and you're often visiting booking.com. So let's add the bookmark for booking.com, click save, and immediately that shows up. And of course, a quick click and you're immediately at booking.com in your OneLaunch Chromium browser. Just to show you what I mean about the sync, you can right click in your Chromium browser, click bookmarks, and immediately you see that booking.com has synced here as well. And if I were to add a new bookmark, let's say you want to go to Instagram and bookmark Instagram. Let's just bookmark this tab. Oops, sorry. Perfect, done. You'll see now it's in the list, and that should perfectly follow through. Yep, it did perfectly to your OneLaunch dashboard for Instagram.com, which is perfect. Again, bottom left, you see your location. You're able to edit this quickly. You're able to type new cities, let's say Los Angeles. Change, save new location. And you'll see the temperature changed, and so did the weather. You're able to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you'd like. And another cool thing, if you'd like to not have to set your location yourself, you're able to just turn on location detection. So completely up to you. And then bottom right, again, powered by Microsoft News, lots of great news articles. You're able to kind of click through them all to see all the highlights based on the section that you're in, the category that you're in. Right now I'm in general. But if you want a different category, you can change it: entertainment, sports, gaming, and of course immediately that will change to show articles relevant to sports instead of general. So that is the OneLaunch dashboard. We hope that you use it and go to it daily to get news and weather and access to your quick links and your bookmarks, all from the top of your desktop screen from the OneLaunch search application. Again, hope you enjoy it, and please reach out if you have any questions for us. Thanks, and have a great day.